Hello friends, welcome to Canos Crystal. Today we're going to review the all new Hyundai Creta 2020. Today we have 1.5 liter petrol S variant. Let's go to the video. The BS6 compliant 1.5 liter petrol engine comes with manual transmission and it's produced maximum power 113.42 bhp and maximum torque 144.15 Nm, and it's a four-wheel drive. The huge front grille coated with chrome gives a very muscular look to Creta. S variant will get biprojector headlamps and comparatively small DRL lights of its SX variant. Fog lamps and turn indicators are given below the headlamps. Matte finished silver skid plates given in front and both sides gives a sporty look to the car. S variant comes with 16-inch steel wheel. Here I upgraded to top end turbo alloy wheel with 17-inch. I think it suits the vehicle much better. The dual tone ORVMs are present with turn indicators, but pedal lamps are not available for S variant. This is the side profile of Creta. The silver color panel runs along the way from the front to the rear, and the silver color roof rail is an add-on beauty to the car. Come to the back of the car, the stylish spoiler and the perfectly mounted Hyundai logo just below the stop light looks really elegant. Rear parking camera with adaptive gear lines given just below the logo, and the rear bumper looks cool. You will be getting rear wiper, shark fin antenna and the defogger. The reflectors are given in both sides and very bright reverse lights really helps the view in the night. The split lights been given to the brake lights, which gives more elegance to the rear view of Creta. The Hyundai come up with a huge boot space with a capacity of 434 liters. You also get boot lights, 16-inch spare wheels, tray table, necessary toolkits and reflector kit. Petrol tank opening comes in the left side. Let's see the rear seat comfort of the vehicle. Very decent legroom as well as the headroom makes the backseaters happy. S variant comes with fabric seats. For your knowledge, I have requested the showroom to put this seat cover. The seats comes with fixed headrest, 100% foldable seats and no handrest. Adding on to the rear passenger comfort, S variant have rear AC vent, one USB mobile charging point and a mobile holder. Creta S variant comes with power windows and rear door curtains, a cool features for the rear passenger. The dual tone dashboard looks premium and you will get two reading lights in the front and one in the rear. Let's see the driver's seat comfort and its features. Flat bottom steering wheel with matte chrome finish gives a sporty look. The instrument cluster looks decent. The S variant comes with the steering mount cruise control, instrument cluster control, Apple and Android CarPlay, infotainment control, and the call attend and drop control. This is the fog light and the headlight control, and in the left side the wiper controls are given. The 4 AC vent with matte silver finish gives style to the interior. The 8-inch infotainment system comes with Bluetooth connectivity, Apple and Android CarPlay, radio, USB connectivity, DRVM. Sadly, it doesn't accommodate the navigation but can be resolved the same with Apple and Android CarPlay. Automatic climate controls look simple and nice. The buttons given in the infotainment system and the climate controls are perfectly merged with the interior view. You will get 12-volt charging point, one USB port and one USB fast charging option. The wireless charging options is not available. You will get a cooled glove box. The temperature can be adjustable. Below the armrest, a small storage space been given. Cup holders or small air purifier can be kept in here. 1 liter water bottles can be kept in all the 4 doors. The driver side door mounted with power window control switches, side mirror electrical adjustment switches, and central lock and unlock switches. The Creta S variant ORVM can be electrically adjustable, but auto fold options are not available. You will get 4 speakers which mounted in all 4 doors and 2 tweeters mounted in front doors. The sound quality of the system is really good. The rear view mirror equipped with night vision. Sunglass holders also available. Tilt adjustments are available for steering wheels. Keyless entry is available. Talking about the driving comfort, it's really smooth to drive. The steering wheel is not too heavy or too smooth, which will give the confidence and stability in corners and high speeds. There is a small lag in power delivery in the first and second gear, which is very negligible. The tuning of the engine is fantastic. The cabin feels very quiet, which is an enjoyable part. You will get the 6-speed manual transmission. I need to really mention about the suspension of this car. It's really amazing. It offers a soft suspension. I am getting a mileage of 13.5 in the highways and 9 to 11.5 in the hill area. For your record, now I am driving in a steep hill area. The pickup of the vehicle is really good. The braking system doing a wonderful job. The S variant front wheel comes with disc brake and the rear comes with drum brake system. The safety features includes 2 airbags in the front, ABS and EBD, tire pressure warning, seatbelt warning, overspeed warning, child safety lock, engine immobilizer, rear parking sensors. There are many color options. I chose white because it looks premium and have good road presence. Hyundai offers 3 varieties of Wonder warranty and 3 years roadside assistance. Overall rating out of 10, I will be giving 9. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more video. Please do comment your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.